Nou, ik sta dus naast iemand, mensen. Ik zei net al in een eerder vlogje dat mijn techhart wel meer van dingen sneller gaat kloppen. Maar ik sta nu naast een man die naar verluidt de eerste hacker van Duitsland is. So, hello, it's awesome to meet you. Rumor has it you are actually the first hacker of Germany. What's that about?
Well, that's my claim to fame anyway. So this is 1977. I was 16 years old, and we were the first high school in Germany that actually was allowed to have a computer. And obviously, what do you do with computers? You're trying to kind of break it somehow. And I was able to break the security system of an IBM system that we had back at the time. And I became really famous or infamous, if you like, with the Department of Education and the IBM executives. And they removed me from all access to all the computers because they were afraid that I could find something. And I don't think anybody before that time actually, was doing that. And the term hacker wasn't even invented at the time.
So you were only 16 years old when this happened?
Yes. This was, I was in high school, 1977, 78 maybe.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. Well, the theme of today is analytics everywhere. And, well, I imagine that's a theme that you love. So can you tell me more about the theme and what that means for you?
Well, the thing is that analytics is really something that is really an opportunity for all organizations, large and small, for every line of business to find nuggets of information in data. And so it's not just, and as I said in my presentation, about reporting on that data in terms of how many X you sold to customer Y, through which channel Z. So it's really trying to find those interesting use cases. And that's sort of the quintessential thing that I mentioned in my presentation at the end, is that you need to give people time to start thinking about this. Because if you just expect that these really cool use cases fall into your lap, you can wait a long time. So you need to have brainstorming sessions, workshops with your users from the various lines of business, and find those creative juices in those discussions. There will be a lot of ideas and a lot of crazy ideas, but some ideas will stick. And that's what some of these use cases are about, to actually find those really cool analytic kind of capabilities. And then the success factors are certainly having the proper processes and skills and so on, but the creativity part is typically much undervalued.
So if we allow the creativity part, maybe then we will be faster than change, won't we?
Well, I mean, there was always big change. I mean, I'm not sure exactly how you can faster than change, what that really kind of means for each individual organization. Some organizations are very good in change management, some others are not. But I mean, the thing is that finding the right people, finding the right area within the business to actually find those use cases, whether that's optimizing something, finding outliers, finding patterns. And I think the one thing that I said also is, don't get stuck in reporting. Most organizations just report until the cows come home, and they will never really find those really cool things in the data. So I think that's the one thing that really needs to change in many organizations.
Thank you. Dus mensen, we moeten creatiever zijn. We moeten ons niet laten verliezen in allerlei data-interpretaties voor al te lange tijd. Ik geloof dat we het gewoon moeten gaan doen. En dan kunnen we een mooi voorbeeld nemen aan deze allereerste hacker van Duitsland die hier naast mij staat. Thanks!